Search is a text function that searches for a substring inside another string. The search is not case sensitive. You can also provide to search the initial position from where you want to start searching and an optional default value that is returned in case there is no match. Be reminded that if you do not provide a default value, search raises an error if there is no match. So it's always a good practice that of adding a default value in order to avoid errors. Let's see a couple of examples of usage of search. In this first example, I'm iterating over the product names and I'm searching for the position of red by searching red in the product name starting from the first character and returning a blank in case there is no match. Please note that red is lowercase, but the first match that it finds is in Contoso 2G, where red is uppercase with the initial R uppercase, and it's found at the 28th position. Whereas when there is no red, it returns a blank instead of returning an error. You can also use wildcards using search. You can use the question mark in order to match any character, or use an asterisk star if you want to match any number of characters. For example, I can search for player star blue by searching player star blue in the product name starting from the first character and returning a blank in case there is no match. And the first match is here, and you see that it matched the player E51 blue, where blue is with an uppercase and player the same. The search is not case sensitive, therefore it found it ignoring E51, whereas in this case, because there is no blue, there is no match.